Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Body Tarot by Emma McArthur, including 72 cards and a 64-page illustrated guidebook. This is published by Kiko Books, retailing for $19.99 in the US and $16.99 in the UK. Shout out to Book Outpost for sending this my way. Thank you so much. All right, let's get into it. This has been on my list for a while. Your body is a universe in microcosm. Your body is a universe in microcosm. Great galaxies of microbes and shooting stars of neurosignals live inside you. You are a miraculous construction and a thing of beauty and wonder. Featuring the beautiful anatomical drawings of artist Emma McArthur and linked to the 5-element healing system, the Body Tarot taps into the wisdom of your physical being. This collectible deck of 72 cards offers unique insight into the workings of your body, the messages that each organ and element have for you, and how the body's processes are allegories to the situations we face in our daily lives. Each of the major arcana is transposed into an organ of the body, while the minor arcana consists of 5 suits corresponding to the elements of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. The accompanying 64-page full-color guidebook describes the meaning of each card, shows you how to lay out spreads for insight, and includes a specially devised new spread, the 5-point body spread. All right. Very intrigued. Let's get into it. Nice little packaging here. There's the book and the cards here. So before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook. I know that this is a different structure. All right, so we have a nice table of contents, how to use the cards. We have a 3-card spread, the relationship spread, Celtic cross spread, and the 5-point body spread. Okay. A deck for everyone. I have not included the reproductive organs in this deck so that it's accessible to all people. The minor arcana is based on the elements that appear in traditional Chinese medicine, a system that does use the binary female-male yin-yang idea, but there's an acknowledgement that both of these energies are in everyone, irrespective of how they define themselves. All right, here's the 3-card spread, the relationship spread, with how many cards? 7. 10-card Celtic cross. And the 5-point body spread. Interesting. Okay. And then it goes into the card meanings. And we'll go from there with the cards. Okay. They are a high gloss, I'll say. On the thinner side, but not paper thin. They're very flexible. Snapping back still. So that should be nice to shuffle. All right. Bring you in a little bit closer. That's too close. Okay, there we go. There's the back. All right, we have the title up top and then the relative card down below. Interesting. Okay. So I don't know if it's going to be super traditional Rider-Waite-Smith meanings, but we'll see how it goes. Bone marrow, interesting. Arteries. Since they're gloss, they're kind of sticking to each other, so just be careful when you pull them apart. Veins. Contentment. Brain. Thyroid gland. Ear. Oh. Well, that's an interesting choice, isn't it? The eyes. The teeth. The lungs. Diaphragm. stomach, liver, pancreas, spleen, gallbladder. I think my grandma had that taken out. Something to do with that. It was not fun. Kidneys, small intestines, large intestine, bladder. This is really interesting. Muscles, the shin. Oh, excuse me, the skin. I was like, Okay. So now we have the minor arcana. So we're in wood now. Okay, it looks like these are just going to be pips style. Sadness. So this might be swords, if I'm reading this correctly. It does have the keyword down here. Rest. Pettiness. Freshness. Liberation. Trapped. Yeah, this. Worry. Health. So there's no court cards. Okay. Fire. This is going to be the wands. So inspiration. Dominance. I'm going to go through these kind of quick. Adventure. Celebration. Irritation. Triumph. Fight. Action. Mistrust. And burnout. Ace of Earth, we have payoff, fun, teamwork, greed, poverty, generosity, seems like this is pentacle energy here, achievement, craft, freedom, wealth, harvest. Okay, so this is a new suit, but interesting, I'm noticing down below too, they have the different organs down here as well. So they're not, are they all the same? Yeah, it seems like they're all the same maybe. We'll go back and see. But Ace of Metal, so we have harvest, boldness, windfall, acumen, budget, partnership, resolution, home, luck, charmed. Ace of Water, we've got love, ease, friendship, stagnation, grief, this seems like the cups, innocence, rationality, movement, manifestation, and happiness. Okay. We'll go through the book and see what each suit is connected to, but first let's shuffle. Nice. One more time for good measure. Okay, an overhand. It's nice. It is not sticking. It is a gloss, So just, you know, be warned when you're unboxing it for the first time to be gentle with pulling them apart. Yay, okay. So we're going to read for the kidneys, the tower, which is the upheaval. All right, so we have the traditional tarot card being the tower. Keywords: upheaval, crisis, release, and cleansing. Element of water. Your kidneys do the important job of removing waste and excess fluid from your blood. They get filtered out along with acid so that your body maintains a healthy balance of water, salt, and minerals. Anyone who has experienced kidney stones know how painful it can be when waste forms crystals in this organ. It is the same way waste can solidify in your life if you do not cleanse it out. Holding on to grudges, anger, and fear can cause you distress. This doesn't mean one should avoid feeling anything uncomfortable. For example, it is necessary to feel and own your grief. But you shouldn't hold on to those emotions beyond what is healthy for you. The appearance of this card can indicate a sudden upheaval that will force you to meet a crisis more completely and acknowledge these emotions. Respond to the challenge in this card in a positive, enlightened way, and you will come out of the other side stronger, healthier, and happier. Stagnate in the pain of the process, and it will still have to pass, but with more difficulty and discomfort than necessary. I like the way that this is correlating. Okay, so we do have the minor arcana chart down here. So it does have the organs. So main organ would be the liver, secondary organ, the gallbladder, color green, traditional suit would be the swords. Okay, oh, so we do have 2 pentacles here. Interesting. Okay, so the earth and the metal are both pentacle coded. Okay, so for the earth, money and property, financial health, abundance, and prosperity. And then the metal is money from career, ambition, status, inheritance. Interesting. Okay. Okay, kind of like that. Okay, let's go back to the metal here. I just want to see. Harvest. Okay. 2 of metal, risk, boldness. Okay, kind of like this. This would definitely be a practical deck to have for daily readings. I wonder if this is something that you can do to check in with your body as well. So say you're not feeling like yourself, and maybe there's an area of focus that needs to be focused on, you just don't know, and you pull a card, and maybe that can help guide you to where you need to focus that. I'm really interested on how to utilize this with the body in general. I feel like that would be a very interesting rabbit hole to go down. I do like that it's different, that it doesn't have the court cards, but instead has another suit entirely. And I really do enjoy the fact that they are adding in metal, as well as all of the different elements for the minor. I love that there's a keyword on it. The major arcana, some of them are a little bit deviated just a bit, but how it is tying this in with the body and Chinese medicine, that makes sense to me. And the brain being the emperor, that is so on the nose and perfect. This is quite intriguing. I'm not a huge fan of pip decks, but this works in this situation. I think it's easy to read with. If you're somebody who loves health or the body, you're into fitness, this might be a deck for you. I think that there are a lot of different ways to utilize this, and I think that this would be a really good daily pull deck, especially if you love the body in general. Anyway, what an interesting deck. It's different. It's unique. I definitely don't own anything like it, and I haven't seen anything similar to it at all. But I would now love to know what your thoughts of this deck are. Is this something you're excited about? I know it's been out for quite some time, but I would love to know if you own it, if this is something you think that would be beneficial for you. What are your thoughts? And let me know down below. And if you have come this far in the video, drop a brain emoji. I believe we have one. If you have, Thank you so much to Book Outpost, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!